Ọlábísí Ẹ̀dújọbí ló ń pèdè lọ́wọ́ lórí ètò yín ètò wa Bísí Ológe Show lórí MITV UHF 43 àti DSTV Channel 255. Ètò tẹ́tí ń wò nípa àwọn òde àríyá lóríṣiríṣi bí ìgbéyàwó, ọjọ́ ìbí, ìsọmọlórúkọ, àjọ̀dún, ìfilọ́lẹ̀, ìsìnkú àgbà, àwọn ìpolówó ọjà lóríṣiríṣi náà ò gbẹ́yìn o. Aago 8 sí 9 alẹ́ ní gbogbo ọjọ́ ìsinmi lẹ́ẹ̀ máa bá ọmọ yín pàdé láwọn òde àríyá ti ilẹ̀ yìí àtòkè òkun lóríṣiríṣi lórí MITV. Fún ìpolówó ọjà yín ẹ pè sórí 0803 329 1869 àti 0812 158 4400 tàbí sórí ímeèlì wa bisiologe@yahoo.com. Bó sì jẹ́ lórí wẹ́bsáìtì wa www.bisiologeshow.com. Bísí Ológe ló ń pèdè.
This ceremony will be very short because I know that we want to party, so just give me 20-30 minutes for this. Glory to God. Glory to God. And those who put up our mouth and be grateful to God. Amen. One more time. Our Father, we thank you. You are the creator that was not created. You were not elected into office. You cannot be impeached. Your tenure has no end. From everlasting to everlasting, you are God. You're the one who makes all things beautiful in your time. The one who sits above the circles of the earth, and your inhabitants are like grasshoppers. Declaring the end from the beginning and from ancient times, saying, my counsel will stand and I will do all my pleasure. You are the Alpha, Omega, beginning and the end, the first and the last, the A and the Z and everything in between. You are the Bishop of our soul. You are the God of all flesh. You are the Father of spirit. No one is stronger than you. You are stronger than the strongest. You are bigger than big. You are higher than high. You are wider than wide. You are deeper than the depth of the sea. You are higher than the heights of the heavens. Words are not enough to describe you. We thank you because you are faithful. Even when we are unfaithful, you remain faithful. And your faithfulness is not predicated on our behavior. Your faithfulness is predicated on your personality. You are faithful all by yourself. Today we gather to give you praise. Because if it had not been for the Lord who was on our side, our enemies would have been rejoicing over us. But you have been our help from ages past. Our hope for years to come. The very present help in times of trouble. Our shield and buckler. The glory and the lifter up of our heads. Today we gather to give you praise. Yes, hallelujah, praise. We have seen the Lord's goodness, oh, His mercies and compassion. Oh, we have seen the Lord, yeah, hallelujah, praise. Oh, Lord, you have been so good. You are so good to Yes, His mercies and compassion. We have seen the Lord. Oh, hallelujah, pray. Oh, Lord, you have been so good. You are so good. Oh, Lord, you are excellent in my life every day. Oh, Lord, you have been so good. Oh, Lord, you are excellent in my life every day. Oh, Lord, you have been so good. Oh, good, you are so good to me. Oh, Lord, you are excellent in my life. Oh, we lift your name. We lift your name. Oh, we lift your name. We lift your name. Oh, we shout hallelujah. We shout hallelujah. We shout hallelujah. We shout hallelujah. Oh, we lift your name, Jesus. We lift your name. Oh, we lift your name. We lift your name. Oh, we shout hallelujah. We shout hallelujah. Oh, we shout hallelujah. We shout hallelujah. Our Father, we thank you. You are the creator that was not created. You were not elected into office. You cannot be